Welcome to English Language Tulip Series Book 10 prescribed by J.K. Bose. Today, lesson number 5, the Sermon at Banaras summary. The Sermon at Banaras. This chapter is about Gautama Buddha, whose childhood name was Siddhartha Gautama. He was born in a northern royal family. When he was at the age of 12, he was sent to a faraway place to study Hindu sacred scriptures. After 4 years, he has returned and got married to a princess, and soon they were blessed with a son. They continued to live a royal life for about 10 years. One day, on his way to hunt, the prince met a sick man, an aged man, a funeral procession, and a monk who was begging for, and these experiences acted as an eye opener for him. He left all the royalty behind to get a higher sense of spiritual knowledge. When he attained salvation, he began preaching. His first sermon was given at the city of Benares. There he found a lady whose name was Kisa Gautami, whose son has died and she was suffering from unending pain. She went to various houses looking for medicine to make her son alive, but people thought that the lady has lost her senses. Then she met one man who was directed her towards Lord Buddha because he felt that Lord Buddha could have a solution for her problem. Buddha asked her to look for mustard seeds, and the seeds should be procured from a house where there had been no death. Kisa Gautami went on a search of that house, but she could not find mustard seeds from a house. She was disheartened and sat at the edge of the road, where she realized how selfish she had been and also realized that men are mortal. This was the only fact that Lord Buddha made her to understand. As per Lord Buddha, feeling of grief and sorrow increases pain and suffering of man. A wise person who is fully aware of the functioning of nature must not grieve at something bound to happen. This is the only way in which he can be happy and blessed. Thanks.